now that I need you. Good morning. It is a Thursday and I have nothing to do with my life. So we're gonna glow up for another summer, another year. They're all the same. I tan, I get my nails done, I get my hair done, go to the gym. But this time I'm getting a bikini wax. So that's fun. My head is spinning. I have my summer ball on Monday, which is very exciting. But it's at my work. So it's a bit weird, but it's very exciting. And I am gonna try and like glow up for that. I hate the word glow up, but like get ready for that. I do say glowing up for summer. Yeah, I do mean for this summer ball and then for my holiday to Greece. Yay! I have a nail appointment Friday, which is tomorrow. Oh my god, tomorrow's Friday. But I did say it was Thursday, so I did know that. Okay, I don't know. I have a hair appointment tomorrow as well. I'm getting it highlighted, getting it cut, getting an Olaplex treatment, toner, all the fun stuff. Oh, I don't want a fake tan because I got told that if I get anything on the sheets or towels when we're in Zante, that I will have to pay for them. And so I'm avoiding fake tan at all costs now. I'm staying away. Even though it's literally raining, I'm gonna find a way to get a tan. I'm going to figure my life out. No, I'm not, because I say that every video and it doesn't happen. As you can see, look at me right now. It's summer and I'm in this. These space buns, by the way, have been in my hair for 4 days. Like, they have not moved. I've taken the bun out, but like left my hair up here and just redone the bun for 4 days. How disgusting is that? But it's because I can't wash my hair before my hair appointment and I didn't want to do that. Yeah, I'm getting a Hollywood wax on Monday. Very scared for that woman to see my, or man, or non-binary, to see my cooch. Obviously you're not going to see the before and after of that, but I'll let you know the experience and how it goes down. Yay! Complete side note, but look how adorable this mug is. Oh, it's really hot. Look at it. Is that not perfect? It's actually, the bees are actually black, and then when you put hot water in, they become actual bees. It's literally, it's the small things in life that get me, and this gets me. It's 5 AM and I'm going on a run. My hair appointment is in 3 hours. I couldn't sleep. I woke up at 4, and so I'm going on a run. How weird. Look how sweaty I am. Ew. Let's make French toast. I can't even be bothered to tidy it. This bread went out of date 4 days ago, but I haven't even opened it. It's fine. It's seeded, so if there is any mold, I can just pretend it's a seed anyway. Can't believe I just went on a run at 5 AM. That is weird. Who does that? Every time I say please slap me. Like literally punch the screen, because it annoys me how much I say it. And I've been saying for maybe a year now that I need to stop saying it. And funnily enough, I still say it. Look at that. She is stunning. Hair and nails today. I also need to go shopping because I got a new job where you're actually not allowed nails, but so I need to buy basically a school uniform. I need a shirt, a skirt. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I need to get some new school shoes. It's weird, isn't it? I haven't worn school shoes in like 3 years. Was that satisfying? Probably not, but I tried. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this and then we'll go to my hair appointment. Hey, I'm back in my car now. I've been trekking around with a Clarks bag all day. I feel like I'm back in year 6. My hair is done. I love it so much. It's literally the perfect colour, perfect length. These are my nails. Look how cute they are. They took fucking ages, but they are beautiful. I love them. Very minimal, which I like. Today has been so chaotic. I've been like trekking around Northern Ireland. I've been trekking around trying to buy work stuff, and it's cost me £100. I spent £50 on shoes in Clarks, hence the Clarks bag, and nowhere sells pencil skirts. I thought that was just standard. Anyway, lesson learned, if you're gonna buy pencil skirts, buy it online. Bought shirts, tights, everything, spent £100. But yeah, saw some of my friends, my phone died. Somehow, it was literally on 100% at like 7 AM, and then by like 10, it was on 8. I don't know how that happens, but Apple, fix your fucking products. Thank you. I have officially been awake for
11.5 hours. So I'm gonna go home and watch TV and do nothing until I have work tonight. This is kind of it. It's like a small glow up because you don't really need to do that much. I mean, look at me. I'm actually sweating though. Can you see my sweat? Like, it's hot in this car. I'm getting my Hollywood wax, which obviously you won't see, but like, I just want to tell you how painful it is. And then, yeah, I'll do my hair, makeup, and show you my outfit for my summer ball, which is like a prom. And yeah, see you on Monday, bitches, because I'm working for the next 3 days. Money, 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 ain't it funny?
This is Monday. We made it through the weekend. Oh my god, just stop saying It's literally not even 7 o'clock, so my brain is not even awake. But I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna do a leg day so that I get a glute pump for my dress tonight. I've got to be quick though, because then I've got to come home, have a hot shower, and we're going for my Hollywood wax, which is scaring the shit out of me because someone's gonna see my vagina. And like for a long time as well, like she's gonna be like she's gonna be examining it, or he, I don't know who it's gonna be, but at least I'm gonna have a smooth cooch. I'm back from the gym. I'm literally so tired, and I've kind of remembered that a wax is painful. And so now I'm scared for the pain because someone's gonna see my vagina and I'm gonna be in pain. I'll let you know how it goes. That is underwear back there because I need to pack for Zanti. Good luck, Charlie. Good luck, Izzy.
My coochie really hurts. I'm not gonna lie, that really fucking hurt. I am fucking livid. I have fucking loads of money in PayPal and my PayPal is broken, and every time I try and call them, it goes to a fucking robot. I'm not trying to speak to a robot. I have so much money in there. My mum has transferred me so much money. Like, I don't even fucking need, because I have money. I don't need the money. But I can't fucking access it and it's stressing me out, and I was trying to sort it out in the bank, and then I looked at the time and my car ticket had run out. Fucking hell, it's been such a dirt. I just want to be in Greece. I just want to be in fucking Greece. It's just started to rain as well. Summertime is meant to fall in love. Today's great. Get a bikini wax, because honestly that was fucking great. I just went straight in with the Hollywood. You're literally meant to like build up to it, I swear. Couldn't be me. I'm gonna go home, call PayPal, get a nice coffee, and take a nap. You know when you're just so tired that you're really moody? Like, I was already really, really moody today. I don't even know why. I'm literally meant to be going out tonight. Oh, golly, golly, gosh. Well, wax is done. I'll see you when I'm getting ready, hopefully after I've had a nap.
It was at this point she knew. She fucked up. This is fun. I love drama. I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna ignore all my problems. I did wake up from a 2-hour nap. Oh, it was a bloody brilliant nap. And I woke up to it with tennis on the TV and an avocado toast in front of me. So thank you, Mum. I loved it. Oh, to be fair, I'm leaving in 2 hours. I don't know if this is a valid time to get ready. My mind is... I'm confused from my nap. But I'm gonna get ready because I'd rather be early than late. But I have nowhere to sit. I actually have nowhere to do my makeup, so I am gonna have to do it standing up. Maybe I'll do a time lapse. Here we go. Right, what am I doing with my hair? Do I do that now? I was going to do 2 little space buns, like messy space buns, because I think that's cute. But, oh, then I need to do that after the dress. Oh my god, this is like playing rock, paper, scissors. Which one? Like, which one do you do to win? You can't win. Dress, okay, dress, hair, makeup. Or makeup, dress, hair. I don't know. I figured it out. I can step into my dress. So we're in a dressing gown until I've done my makeup. Then I'll do my dress and then we'll do hair. See, imagine if this dripped on my dress. It would be like bright orange on a white dress. Like, you can't get that out in the time I've got. I'd have to figure out a whole new dress. Like, that's such first world issues. But I would probably have a mental breakdown, which is bad. But I probably would. To be honest, I don't even know what makeup I'm gonna do. I might just do like a really foxy bronze eye sort of thing, like really neutral bronze eye. And then I never wear lashes, but I wear like, I cut the very ends of the lashes off and I stick them right here, and it just like
pops your face up, and it is the best thing ever. Recommend doing it, honestly. And then when they're done, just cut the next bit of the lashes off and just keep using them. My pits are sweaty. I've had to close my curtains. I can't do it anymore. There's like a big glass window thingy outside my room, and so the sun hits it and then like gleams into my room, and so it just gets excessively hot. Anyway, makeup is done pretty much. I'm gonna do lips and lashes just before I leave, just because they're annoying to have on. But I was thinking I was gonna do some cute like space buns, just because no one else is gonna have that. Everyone else is gonna have their hair down, and to be honest, I don't really want my hair down. Maybe I'll end up taking it down in 20 minutes, but we'll find out. See, I could do like a braid going back. Oh, my battery's flashing. No, Cleo. Okay, I'm gonna do my hair, get changed, and wear my dress, and then we're gonna go somewhere where you can see the full look, and then that'll be it, because otherwise this is gonna die. But love you, goodbye. Lighting in here is kind of funky, but we'll just work with it because I've actually really got to go. This is the dress. Oh, that's annoying. There's nothing I can even do about that. This is the dress, very cute. It's from Opoly. I'll link it down below if anyone asks. I'm wearing these boots with it, which I'm actually not going to put on yet because I will try and get away with not wearing heels for as long as possible. And I have this real Chanel bag, because she's real. It's a real Chanel bag. It's fake if you couldn't tell. It's real if anyone asks, but it's fake. I told you I wouldn't stick with the space buns. We're going with this messy braids in the hair kind of look. I've got my jewelry on, all my rings, my necklace, and this watch that actually used to be my great-grand's, and it doesn't work. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I'm very aware a glow up is not just a physical appearance thing. I just don't know what else to title it. Getting ready for summer ball, getting ready for prom. Take it as you will, but my cooch hurts, and on that note, I'm gonna leave. Mwah. Hey. Is John Gizzy coming in? As you can tell, because I look fucking... Oh, I look tragic. Let me sit you on some vodka. Listen, a glow up is temporary, I'll tell you that. Mentally, lasts forever. I had a brilliant night. It was a bit fucking weird because it was where I worked, but all my friends are here. I would let them say hi, but I don't know where they are. Cheers with my lashes. My head is spinning and my ears are ringing, but good night, lads. I got told my YouTube channel was fucking brilliant, and I fucking know. Anyway, goodbye.